Prabhupada gives the example that a lusty man sees sex everywhere. A businessman sees money everywhere. You know, he meets you, and after he's shook hands, he's figured out how much you paid for your shoes, and you know how much you're worth in terms of your occupation and what you could do for him. So he sees money everywhere. And the devotee sees Krishna. So there's by different consciousness. The impersonalist again sees impersonal Brahma everywhere, and the devotee sees Krishna. Okay. Do we stop here? Is that what we do? Yeah. All right. Thank you all very much. Hare Krishna. All praise.
HH.Jayadvaita Maharaj ki jai.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Samaveta Bhakta Vrinda ki jai. Gaur Premanande.
Hari Hari Bol.
Are we selling some books? What are we doing?
Yes. Yeah. For Gauradesh will distribute. Yes, ma'am.